I'm Jackie B from Jackson's. This is Hempstead Road in Hempstead. It's a substantial 5-bedroom detached home with annex accommodation to the side, a double garage on the front and a very good sized plot. Come with me and we'll take a look inside and see what's on offer. We've stepped inside and there's a really nice entrance hall, this beautiful lounge, a dining room and a kitchen. You've also got the door to the annex, which comprises of 2 separate rooms. I love this room. It's got a double aspect over that stunning rear garden. We're on the first floor, and on this floor you'll find 4 good-sized bedrooms and a family bathroom. This bedroom, which is the largest, is at the front and overlooks the garden, and it really shows you how well set back from the road we are. There's also a large bedroom to the back, and that's got views over the spectacular garden. If we step the other way off the hallway, we come through to this annex accommodation, which is 2 rooms. First of all, you have this area, which is currently used as a study, but would be an ideal dressing area or sitting room for somebody. And then if you come through here, you've got the 5th bedroom. So we've come out into the garden, and what a beautiful garden it is. You certainly don't see many gardens this size in Hempstead or Rainham and the surrounding areas. It's beautifully maintained, landscaped throughout, lots and lots of established planting, shrubs and well-stocked borders. So come through the archway from the formal gardens and you've got all of this area. We've got a large greenhouse on a hard standing, lots of vegetable plots, a little bit of planting and a shed tucked away at the end of the garden. I'm Jackie B from Jackson's. It's been my absolute pleasure to show you around this beautiful family home. If you'd like to take a look inside or know just a little bit more about it, give me a call, drop me a message, I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.